Hi all, very happy evening to each and everyone. We were discussing HCF and LCM related problems. Session 1, we discussed a lot of concepts and we also discussed a lot of problems based on the concepts. We will continue with the HCF and LCF. Let me check whether the audio is clear. Then we will start the class. Very interesting class it is going to be. Kindly sit in the class with a pen and a notebook. We will discuss a lot of concepts. Right. So audio it is clear. We will continue. HCF and LCM. We discussed a lot of problems. These are various exams. We help students in clearing it. Banking exam, insurance exam, SSC, CGL, railway exam, CAT 2024 exam, TSPSC, D.A.O. it is scheduled on June 30. So all these sessions will be of extreme useful to you. In case if you are a student preparing for multiple examination, all-in-one course is the hottest selling course with us. We solved a lot of problems. Now, let us continue with the question number 8. Listen carefully to question number 8. LCM of two prime numbers, x and y are prime numbers. Solution. X and y are prime numbers. X and y are prime numbers. Okay. This first point it is clear. LCM of two prime numbers. LCM of these prime numbers. LCM of x comma y. Two prime numbers are always co-prime to each other. Two prime numbers are always co-prime to each other. LCM of co-primes is always their product because any two prime numbers will always be co-prime to each other. Any two prime numbers. Listen carefully one concept, sir. Listen carefully. For two numbers to be co-primes, for two numbers to be co-primes, the two numbers HCF should be 1. HCF of A comma B should be 1. That means A comma B will be co-prime. A comma B will be co-prime. That does not mean that both the numbers are co-prime prime numbers. Both the numbers can be prime numbers. Both the numbers can be A is 8, B is 3. Both are prime numbers. One is prime, one is composite, or A is 12, B is 25. A 12, B 25, HCF of 12 comma 25 it is 1. Very important key point. For two numbers to be co-prime numbers, for two numbers to be co-prime numbers, that both the numbers may be prime, may not be prime. Both can be prime numbers, one prime, one composite, both can be composite. Co-prime and prime numbers have no correlation with each other except the name co-prime numbers. So, it is clearly said that two numbers are prime numbers. If two numbers are prime numbers, they both will be co-prime to each other. LCM of co-prime, it is their product. X into y is 161. In how many ways can I write 161? 1 into 161 or 161 into 1, 7 into 23 or 23 into 7 or 23 into 7. Now listen carefully. First of all, 1 is not a prime number, so these both the cases are eliminated. X should be greater than y. 7 greater than 23, no. That means x will be 23, y will be 7. Only one case which will satisfy this case is x is 23 and y is 7. That means 3 into 7 minus 23. 3 7s are 21. 21 minus 23 is minus 2. Answer for this question is minus 2. Answer for this question is minus 2. Again I am repeating. Two numbers are prime numbers. Any two prime numbers will be co-prime to each other. LCM of co-prime numbers will always be their product. X into Y is 161. These are the four ways in which you can write 161. 1 into 161, 161 into 1, 7 into 23, 23 into 7. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Two cases are eliminated. X is greater than Y, but here 7 is less than 23. Third case is eliminated. That means answer for this question is X 23, Y 7. Substituting it, 3 into 7, 21. 21 minus 23 is minus 2. I hope the idea it is clear. 9th we did. 10th question. Read the question once. HCF of two numbers. HCF is always a factor for the given number. This is one concept which we discussed. HCF is always a factor for number. HCF is always a factor for number. Already we did a lot of practice problems based on this concept. What is HCF given? HCF given is 11. HCF given is 11. LCM given as 385. LCM given as 385. One number lies between 75 and 125. One number lies between 75 and 125. HCF should be a factor of the number. That means answer option should be a multiple of 11. Answer option should be a multiple of 11. Why? Because HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. Any number can be written as H into K1. That means H into some other natural number will give you the given number. So answer should be a multiple of 11. Or answer option should be perfectly divided by 11. 77 is perfectly divided by 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Only option which is divisible. Next one, the difference of two numbers is 14. Difference of two numbers is 14. 49 and 64. Difference is 15. Not possible. 48 and 65. Difference is 17. Not possible. Right? Difference it is 14. Here also it is 14. So which all options are eliminated? Option B eliminated. Option D eliminated. Next one. What is LCM given? LCM is given as 441. HCF is given as 7. HCF is given as 7. So what is the concept we just now discussed? HCF is always a factor for numbers. HCF is always a factor for numbers. HCF is always a factor for numbers. Answers should be perfectly divisible by 7. 7. 64 it is not divisible by 7. So what is the only option? Option A. What is the only option? Option A. So answer for this question is option A. Or you can also look at it, right? 7 should divide 63 and 49, or 63 and 49 should also divide 441. 49 9s are 441. 63 7s are 441. Either these option should divide LCM or 7 should divide HCF. 7 should divide the given numbers. What is the concept we discussed? HCF is a factor for number. Numbers are factor for LCM. Numbers are factor for LCM. Numbers are factors for LCM. Either any of these two concepts, we will get this answer. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Basic concepts, if you are good in it, you can solve a lot of problems easily. Now, there is one number here it is given. There is another number here it is given. Third number here it is given. Three numbers are given. Three numbers are given. What do we need to find out? HCF we need to find out. HCF. HCF is defined as lowest power of. HCF is defined as lowest power of common prime basis. HCF is given as lowest power of common prime basis. Common prime basis. HCF is the lowest power of common prime basis. 4 it is 2 square. 8 it is 2 cube. 16 it is 2 power 4. 16 it is 2 power 4. 4 can be written as a power of prime basis 2 square. 8 it is 2 cube. 16 it is 2 power 4. 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. What is the lowest power? 2 square. Answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 810. Last 2 digits. 10 is not divisible by 4. 270. Last 2 digits. 70 is not divisible by 4. 70 it is not divisible by 4. Now 80 it is divisible by 4. 540 it is also divisible by 4. HCF is defined as lowest power of common prime basis. So 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. Lowest common it is 2 square. So answer should be divisible by 4. Based on that concept, option B is out, option D is out. Now next one. What else is left? Here 5 power 1 is there. Here 5 power 1 is there. Here 5 square it is there. Here it is 5 power 5. 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 power 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. This is divisible, this is divisible. So both are divisible by 5. Let us concentrate on other prime base. 27. Let us take the power of 3. 27 it is 3 cube. 9 it is 3 square. 81 it is 3 power 4. This is 3 cube. This is 3 square. This is 3 power 4. This is 3 power 4. What is the lowest power common? 3 square. Answer should be divisible by 9. This is also divisible. This is also divisible. This is 9 into 20. Only 3 square I am getting. 9 into 60. 60 it is 9 into 3 into 20. So here 3 square, here 3 power 1. I am getting 3 power 3. I need to get the lowest power of 3 that is present in all the 3. Here it is 3 square, here it is 3 cube, here it is 3 power 4. Answer should have only power of 3 as a 2. But here power of 3 is greater than 2. So it cannot be the answer. Answer for this question is 180. Answer for this question is 180. I hope the idea it is very much clear, right sir? HCF is defined as the lowest power of common prime basis. Sir, then what is LCM? LCM is defined as the highest power of given prime basis. There is a question based on that one, that also we will discuss. LCM is defined as highest power of given prime basis. This is the definition of LCM. Highest power of given prime basis. HCF it is lowest power of common prime basis. These two concepts you should know. Answer should be answer should have only 2 square and only 3 square. Anything beyond it is not HCF, because HCF is defined as lowest power of common prime basis. Idea clear? Every question will teach you a concept, sir. Next one, please read the question, sir, once. The least number, let me take a number n. Least means it should be smallest. N is smallest. Okay, it is clear. Least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7 and 8. Answer is divisible by 5, 6, 7 and 8. What is the number that is divisible by 5, 6, 7 and 8? LCM of 5, 6, 7 and 8. It gives a remainder how much? 3. It gives a remainder how much? 3. 6 is divisible by 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Eliminate the answer options which are not divisible by 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Chance is there. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12. It is not divisible by 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Not divisible. 7 plus 7, 14, 20, 21. It is divisible. It is divisible. That means this number is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 3. Only I considered 3. 6 contains a prime number 3. 6 contains a prime number 3. Next one. What is the another way to look at it? Answer, this part is divisible by 7 and it gives a remainder 3. Answer is, when divided by 7, it gives a remainder 3. Answer, when divided by 7, it gives a remainder 3. So, what is the divisibility rule of 7? Start from the right hand side. Keep a slash after 3 digits. Do plus minus. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Do plus minus. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Do plus minus. 677 minus 1. 676. 683 minus 1. 682. Answer. Let it get divided by 7. 7 nines are 63. 52. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder 3. This when divided by 7, it is giving remainder 3. 676. 7 nines are 63. 46. 7 6 are 42. It is giving a remainder 4. It is giving a remainder 4. This cannot be. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Again I am repeating. I want the smallest number. N will be smallest. Which when divided by 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number should be divisible by all these numbers. What is the number that is divisible by all the numbers? It is LCM of the given numbers. So LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8. When divided, it gives a remainder 3. LCM of 5, 6, 7 and 8 into k plus 3. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. I eliminated option C and option D because they are not divisible by 3. This is divided by 7 and it gives a remainder 3. So which answer option? When divided by 7, it gives a remainder 3. Start from the rightmost. Keep a slash after 3 digits. Plus or minus. 683 minus 1 is 682. 7 nines are 63. 52. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder 3. Remainder 3. Idea clear? Very, very important remainder based problems from LCM. Remainder based problems from LCM. The maximum number of students among the following, right? There are 1001 pens are there. Okay. There are 1001 pens are there and 910 pencils are there. And 910 pencils are there. Okay. E can be distributed in such a way that each student gets the same number of pens and same number of pencils. Same number of pens and same number of pencils. Suppose, see here. Same number of pencils. Suppose with me there are 4 pens. and 6 pencils. There are 4 pens and 6 pencils. I need to distribute to how many number of students? How many number of students? How many number of students such that each one will get the equal number of pens and pencils. Equal number of pens and pencils. Now if you see here, what will be the answer? HCF of 4 comma 6. HCF of 4 comma 6 which 2. There are 2 students who will get the equal number of pens and pencils. How it is we will see. First pen, 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 pen. Pens I distributed. Pens I distributed. Then pencils. 6 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you all with me? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 4, 5, 6. How many? What is the maximum number of students such that each student gets the same number of pens and same number of pencils? How many pens are there? For one student got how many pens? 2 pens are there. One student got how many pencils? 2 pencils are there. How many students got equal number of pens or pencils? Here 2 pens we got, here 2 pencils we got. Similarly, what we'll do is, we will take the HCF of 910 comma 1001. 910 comma 1001. Are you all with me? 910 HCF should always be a factor of the smallest number. HCF should always be a factor of the smallest number including the number. Answer should be less than or equivalent to 910. Answer should be less than or equivalent to 910. Answer should be less than or equivalent to 910. Now if you see here, if you see 91 and 1001, this is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7. 910 is not dividing this number. 910 is not dividing this number. So 910 cannot be the answer. So what is the answer for the question? 91. 91. Are you all with me? Answer should always be less than or equivalent to 910. So answer should always be less than or equivalent to 910. 1001 is omitted. 331 is omitted. Is 910 dividing 1001? No. So 910 is eliminated. What is the answer for the question? 91. In such a kind of questions, what is the maximum number of students? What is the maximum number of students? Now if you see here, if I take HCF of 4 comma 6, 4 comma 6, here minimum, here one case we got. Instead of giving these dot, I can give it to him here, or I can give it to him. Are you all with me? Instead of giving these pen here, I can give it to him. It can be any way. From that case, I will get it to. I will get it to. From 4 pens, if I give 2 pens to him, can I give 2 pencils to him? Definitely yes. Out of 4 pens, I gave 2 pens to him. Remaining 2 pens are there. I can give 2 pens to him. I gave 2 pencils to him. Remaining 4 pencils are there. I can give 2 pencils. Are you all with me? I hope the idea it is clear. It is very interesting way to analyze it without using mathematics. 4 pens and 6 pencils are there. Why it is HCF of 4 comma 6? HCF of 4 comma 6 it is 2. Why it is 2 students only? Suppose I give out of 4 pens 2 pens to him. Can I give out of 6 pencils 2 pencils to him? Yes. Remaining 2 pens are there. I can give it to him. Remaining 4 pencils are there. I can give 2 to him. Third person, there are no pens left, but there are 2 pencils left. Is it equal number of pens and pencils? No. That is the reason it is HCF of A comma B. I hope the idea it is very clear. Right? Very, very good question, sir. This is a previous year examination question. 6 bells commence ringing together. There are 6 bells are there. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. All rank once. 6 bells commence ringing together. All of them rank. The next rank happened. These bell rang after 2 seconds. Okay. These bell rang after 4 seconds. Third bell rang after 6 seconds. After ringing together for the first time, first bell rang after 2 seconds. Second bell after 4 seconds. Third bell 6 seconds. Fourth bell 8. Fifth 10. Sixth 12. When these bells will ring again, one is at 2, another is at 4, another is at 6, another is at 8, another is at 10, another is at 12. So they all will ring with the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 after ringing for the first time. After ringing for the first time. After ringing for the first time. Now see here. In 30 minutes, what is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12? What is the LCM? Now if you see, how many times it is? 2, 4, 6 and 12. Now if you see here, 2 is a factor of 12, eliminate it. 4 is a factor of 12, eliminate it. Right? 6, 8, 10, 12. 6 is a factor of 12, eliminate it. So it is equivalent to LCM of 8, 10 and 12. 8, 10 and 12. This is right. 8, 10 and 12. Next one. 8 and 12. LCM is 24. 24 with 10. This is 2 12s are 2 5s are 60. 120. 120. 120 seconds. For every 120 seconds, all the bells will keep on ringing together. All the bells rang together. First one 2 seconds, second one 4 seconds, third one 6 seconds, fourth one 8, fifth one 10, sixth one 12. When all these will ring again after 120 seconds. After 120 seconds. 30 minutes means minute is 60 seconds. 30 into 60 is 1800. That means they all will ring together 15 times. Here 15 times plus 1. Answer is 16. Answer is 16. Answer cannot be 15 because see here. Suppose you went to a school. School starting period is 8 o'clock. So the first bell rang at 8 o'clock. Class first, it is happening for 30 minutes. For class first, the bell will ring at 8:30. Second, class 2 will ring, bell will ring after 35 minutes. Class 3, 40 minutes. First bell, school started at 8 o'clock. First bell, all the bells rang together. Then there are different times. So, they all will ring together after 120 seconds. Like that in 30 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. 30 into 60 is 1800. That means they will ring together for 15 times after they rang together for the first time. 15 plus 1, answer is 16. 15 plus 1, answer is 16. I hope the idea it is very much clear. A room is 6 meters 24 centimeters. That means length of the room is meter converted into 100 centimeters. 6 meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 6 into 100 plus 24, 624. Breadth is 4 meters 32 centimeters. Meter is 100 centimeters. 400 plus 32, 432. Suppose a studio is there, the length of the studio it is 624 centimeters, breadth is 432 centimeters. Find the least number of squares. Smallest number. Largest number means, see here, very easy to, if there is any confusion, should I use LCM or HCF? Smallest number means factor of a number is always less than the number. Smallest means I should take HCF. LCM means least common multiple. Multiple is always greater than the number. Largest means I should take LCM. Find the largest number, take LCM. Why LCM? Multiple is always greater than the number, so it will lead to LCM. Find the smallest number, factor is always less than the number, I will take HCF. So HCF of 624, 432, 432. Now if you see here, 624, 432. How to find out HCF of these numbers? HCF is always smallest number or its factors. 432, 624. 432 will not divide 624. 432 2s are 864. Factor 216. 216 will not divide. 216 3s are 648. These also will not divide. 108. 108 6 are 648. So it is also not possible. So what will be the number? Next, if I take 72. 72 6 are 72. 7s are not possible. If I take 48, 48, how much it is? 9s are 432. 48, how much it is? 8, which multiple of 8 will give you 44? 10, 11, 13 let me take. 13 8s are 104, 624. So HCF of these numbers is 48. HCF of these numbers is 48. 48. So like that, how many squares we require? 48 we require. What is the least number of square tiles of equal size? That means in these 624 and 432, I am keeping squares of size 48 into 48. Like that, how many I am keeping? Total length is, area is 624 into 432. How many squares? 48. Area of square is side into side. How many? I don't know. I don't know how many. Apply with the unit digit. 4 2s are 8. 8 8s are 64. 4. 4 into, right? 4 into. 4 into 3, 2, not possible. 4 into 4, 16, not possible. If it is ones, either answer will be 117 or 137. 117. 117. 117, it is divisible by 13. 13 9s are 117. It is divisible by 13. Is left hand side any number is divisible by 13? 13 4s are 52. 13 8s are 104. So answer for this question is 117. Answer for this question is 117. Apply the unit digit logic. There is a right wall is there. Wall has an area 624 centimeters. breadth is 432 centimeters. I have to keep some tiles. The tiles are in square format. How many such tiles will cover the area of that entire wall? Area of the wall is given by L into B, length into breadth. 624 into 432. How many such we have to keep? That number should be a factor for the given number. So HCF of 432, 624. I got 48. So the tile length side is 48. This side also it should be 48 because it is square. How many such? 624 into 432 is 48 into 48 into n. 4 2s are 8. 8 8s are 64. 4 7s are 8. A out, C out. 117 it is divisible by 13. Left hand side also it is divisible by 13. Left hand side also it is divisible by 13. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, the GCD or HCF. A factor is also called as a divisor. They both are synonyms. A factor is also called as a divisor. Highest is also called as greatest. Highest is also called as greatest. Both are synonyms. Highest is also called as greatest. Highest is also called as greatest. So therefore, HCF is also called as GCD. HCF is also called as GCD. Highest, greatest. Factor, divisor. Both are synonyms. HCF is also called as greatest common divisors. Greatest common divisors. So GCD and HCF both by name they are same. HCF of 55 comma 210. HCF of 55 comma 210. 55 comma 210. How to find out the HCF? HCF means I need to go to the smallest number and check it out. Smallest number is 55. Is 55 dividing 210? No. Go to the right factors of 55. 11. Is 11 dividing 210? No. Go to the next factor of 45, 55. 5. So HCF of 55 comma 210 it is 5. I already told you one concept. This number is divisible by 5. This number is divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. Now, if you see here, is represented in the form of, so this is 210 into 5 plus 55p. It is GCD. What is GCD? GCD value how much we got? 5. So this will be 55p will be 5 minus 210 into 5. 55p will be 5 common into minus 209. 5 ones are 5 11s are. 1 multiplied by which number? I will get 9 at the end. 9. Answer for this question is minus 19. Only see the unit digit. 55p is 5 into minus 209. 5 ones are 5 11s are. 1 into which number will give you 9 at the end? 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. Answer should have 9 at the end. Negativity is there. Here also it is negative. So answer is P is minus 19. Seeing the unit digit of a number is an extremely important thing. I hope the idea it is very much clear, sir. HCF of 55 comma 210. Whenever you are finding the HCF, go to the smallest number and Answer should be the factor of that number or the number itself. Factor of that number or the number itself. Concept clear? 18th already we did it. Now I told you that LCM model will come. LCM model will come. LCM, the definition of LCM is it always takes the highest power of. LCM always takes the highest power of given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of given prime basis. Highest power of given prime basis. First number N1 it is 1728. N2 it is K. LCM it is 5184. LCM it is 5184. 1728 it is 12 cube. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 whole cube. It is 2 power 6 into 3 cube. It is 2 power 6 into 3 cube. N1 it is 1728. 1728 it is 12 cube. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 whole cube. So this will be 2 power 6 into 3 cube. 2 power 6 into 3 cube. K we don't know. 5184 is 1728 into 3. So it is 2 power 6 into 3 cube into 3 power 1. Into 3 power 1. Now listen carefully. Very good question. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Answer contains 2 power 6. Input one number contains 2 power 6. That means N2 can take 2 power 0 to 6. Why? Because 2 power 6, 2 power 0. What is the highest power? 2 power 6. 2 power 6, 2 power 1. What is highest? 2 power 6. 2 power 6, 2 power 6. What is highest? 2 power 6. 2 power can be any value from 0 to the highest power. Because anything with this number, maximum will be 2 power 6. Here it is 3 power 3. But LCM it is 3 power 4. It is highest. It is not present here. So it should be definitely be present. That means N2 value will be 2 power 0 into 3 power 4. 2 power 1 into 3 power 4. 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. 0 to 6 cases. What will be the answer? 7. 0 to 6 cases. What will be the answer? 7. I hope the idea it is very clear. Very good question it is. LCM it is defined as the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM it is defined as the highest power of the given prime basis. What are the inputs given? 1728, which is 12 cube. 144 into 12 is 1728. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 power 3. It is 2 power 6 into 3 cube. N2, we do not know the value. Question mark. LCM of these two numbers, 5184. 5184 is 1728 into 3, which is 5184. 1728 is 2 power 6 into 3 cube into 3. This will be 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. 2 power 6 is there in the answer. Input. One number is already having 2 power 6. So n2 will be 2 power 0 to 6. 2 power 0, 2 power 6. Highest is 2 power 6. 2 power 1, 2 power 6. Highest is 2 power 6. 2 power 6, 2 power 6. Highest is 2 power 6. n2 will take all the values from 0 to 6. 3 power 4, it is not present here, so it should be present here. So n2 will have 2 power 0 into 3 power 4 say laker, 2 power 6 into 3 power 4, 0 to 6. Total how many cases? 7 cases. Total how many cases? 7 cases. Very, very good question. Please go through this question again. We did one example where HCF it is the lowest power of the common prime basis. LCM it is the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM it is the highest power of the given prime basis. Find the LCM of 3 power 5, 3 power 11, 3 power minus 11. 3 power minus 11. A power minus n is 1 by a power n. So, LCM of 3 power 5 by 1, 3 power 11 by 1, 3 power minus 11 by 1. One way is to solve it through fractions. Another is LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Highest power of the given prime basis. Given prime basis. 3 power 5, 3 power 11, 3 power minus 11. Highest is 3 power 11. 3 power 14, 3 power 5, 3 power 11, 3 power minus 11. Highest is 3 power 14. And 3 power 14. Second, highest among 3 power 14, 3 power 14, 3 power 11. Answer is 3 power 14. Are you all with me? LCM it is defined as the highest power of given prime basis. Among these three, which is highest? 3 power 11. Among these three, which is highest? 3 power 14. One 3 power 14 is there. 3 power 14, 3 power 14, 3 power 11. What is highest? 3 power 14. One is to do fractions, which takes a little extra time. Another is to understand the definition of LCM, which is highest power of given prime basis. The minimum value of LCM of the given numbers is greater than, less than, equal to. All the cases we will say. LCM of 248. LCM of 248. What do you mean by LCM? Go to the largest number. Check whether largest number is divisible by all the other numbers. Is 8 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 8 divisible by 4? Yes. Is 8 less than the product of the numbers? Yes. Is 8 less than the product of the numbers? Yes. One more. LCM of 2, 3. LCM of co-primes it is equivalent to product. 2, 3. Is it equivalent to 2 into 3? Yes. Is it equivalent to 2 into 3? Yes. So, if I do the LCM for the given numbers, answer will be less than the product or at times equal to the product. If I take some random numbers, LCM of the given numbers will be either less than the given numbers or equivalent to given numbers. Answer is less than or equivalent to. Or always equal, not it will be always equal. Right? always greater than, it cannot be. Out of these two, the most nearest option is always less than. If I change the question to the minimum value of LCM, the minimum value of LCM, right? So it is equivalent to the product of the numbers, it is less than the given numbers. These two are definitely not true. So none, the most closest option is B. The most closest option is B. Next one, 24th question. Read the question, sir. Please read it. Consider a 2-digit number. I considered a 2-digit number. AB. A is in tens place, B is in units place. There is a 2-digit number, B is in units place, A is in tens place. The difference between the number and the number we get when the digits are reversed, AB reversed is BA. AB reversed is BA. A is in tens place, so the number form will be A is in tens place, 10A plus B. A is in tens place, so it is 10A plus B. Here, if I reverse the number, the form of that number will be 10B plus A. The form of the number will be 10B plus A. What is the question that he said? Difference between the numbers. 10A plus B minus of 10B plus A, it is 27. 9 into A minus B, it is 27. A minus B, it is 3. Step clear, right? If the sum of the digits are A and B, sum it is 9. Sum it is 9. A plus A, 2A. 2A, it is 12. A is 6 and B is 3. A is 6, B is 3. Find the HCF of the numbers. Find the HCF of the number. Number is AB, 63. And the number written when its digits are reversed, 36. It cannot be 5. Input, none of the numbers are divisible by 5. It cannot be 4. One number is not divisible by 4. It cannot be 6. It has to be 9. Both the numbers are divisible by 9. Both the numbers are divisible by 9. This kind of variable based questions, a lot of questions are coming in exam. There is a 2-digit number which I am calling it as AB. A is in tens place. So the value of the number will become, since A is in tens place, the value will become 10A plus B. I reversed this AB. I got BA. B is in tens place. So I got the number as 10B plus A. Difference it is 27. 10A plus B minus of 10B plus A, it is 27. 9 into A minus B, it is 27. A minus B, it is 3. A minus B, it is 3. Sum of the digits, A plus B, it is 9. Minus B plus B cancel. 2A is 12. A is 6. A is 6. B is 3. Number is 63. Reverse of that number is 36. What is the, how to find out HCF? Smallest number or its factor. Or its factor, highest common factor. 36. 9 4s are 9 7s are. 9 4s are 9 7s are. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Find the LCM of 2 by 5, 3 by 10, 4 by 15. LCM of fractions, it is given by LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. LCM of fractions, it is given by LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. HCF of denominator. Numerator, there is no prime number related 7 present, out. Numerator, one number is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Two options are out. Two options are out. Are you all with me? Next one, HCF, LCM of 2, 3, 4, it is. Answer should be right. This is one number is divisible by 2. So answer should be divisible by 2. So this will be 12 by 5. It is not 6 by 5. One number is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 6 is not divisible by 4. 6 is not divisible by 4. I hope the idea it is very much clear. This is a very, very good question, sir. Read the question. This came in one of the examination. Read the question. Three numbers which are co-prime to each other. There are three numbers A, B, C. They are all co-prime to each other. They are all co-prime to each other. That means HCF of A comma B is 1. HCF of B comma C is 1. HCF of A comma C is 1. All the numbers are co-prime to each other. All the numbers are co-prime to each other. Product of first two, A into B, it is 551, okay. And that of last two, B into C, it is 1073. 1073. Question is, find the sum of the three numbers. Sum of the three numbers. First thing it is, one options we can eliminate. This is an odd number. When you will get odd number, odd into odd only will be odd. This will be an odd number. Odd into odd only it will be odd. Odd into odd only it will be odd. A is an odd number. B is an odd number. C is an odd number. Sum of the numbers A plus B plus C. Odd plus odd even. Even plus odd odd. Answer should be an odd number. 72 it is out. Odd number into odd number. Odd number. Odd number into odd number. Odd number. Odd plus odd plus odd. Odd plus odd even. Even plus odd odd. Even plus odd odd. Next one, it is ending with 1. If I take 1, these also should end with 1. 1 1. Odd numbers are ending with 1 3 5 7 9. So I am checking with 1. If it is a 3, 3 7s are 21. 1. 5 it is not possible. If it is 9, 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. B can take 1, 3, 7 or 9. 5 it is not possible, because if it is ending with 5, unit digit 5 means right hand side should be divisible by 5. Here B can be 1. 1 3s are 3. 5 anyway not possible. Here it is 7. 7 9s are 63. 3 possible. 3 possible. Only thing if you just get this idea, you will get the answer very fast. These are all prime numbers. ABC are prime numbers. Now see here. We will put some values. Here if I put 21, 21 is divisible by 3. 1073 not divisible. If I put 31, 31 into 13 not close to 1000. 31 into 23 not close to 1000. 31 into 33, 33 it is divisible by 3. So first case out. If I put 37 here, 37 into 19, not close to 1000. 37 into 29. 37 into 29. 29 sevens are 203. 87 plus 2, 107. So, one is 37, another is 29. Here it is 37. 37 ones are 37. Are you all with me? One we got it as 37. One we got it as 37. Another we got it as 29. 37 into 29, it is 1073. Now, what is the next one? Now, if you see here, 37 into, if I take 23, 23 sevens are 161. 23 threes are 691. It is 851, sir. It is 851. A into B is 851. 851, not 551. I hope it is clear. It is 37. These numbers should be divisible by 37. 37 twos are 74, 37 threes are. That means numbers will be 23, 37, 29. 23, 37, 29. 23 plus 37, 60. 60 plus 29, 18. Answer for this question is 18. I hope it is clear. Again, beautiful question it is. I will repeat it again. There are three co-prime numbers. Let the key co-prime numbers be A, B and C. A into B is 851. This is an odd number. Odd into odd only will be odd. 1 ones are 1. 3 sevens are 21 or 7 threes are. 9 nines are. 9 nines are. 1 if I take 11, it is not divisible by 11. 21, it is not divisible by 3. 31. 31 into, this is close to 851. 31 into 31. 31 square is 961. Case out. 3 sevens are 13 if I take, it is not divisible by 13. 23 if I take, 23 threes are 69. 23 into 37 we got. Same 37 I am taking here. 1073 divided by 37, 29. Numbers are 23, 37 and 29. 23, 37 and 29. So this will give you 89. Beautiful question, sir. I hope you understood the approach, how to use the unit digit logic. Next, read the question, sir. How many pairs of positive integers exist? HCF of x comma y is 35. X is 35k1. Y will be 35k2. X is 35k1. Y will be 35k2. Sum of x and y. 35 into k1 plus k2. It is 1085. 35 3s are 105, 31. K1 plus K1, K2, it is 31. What are K1 and K2? K1 and K2 are co-prime numbers. K1 and K2 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. In how many ways can you write a number as a sum of two co-primes? Sum of two co-primes. This will be quotient of n by 2. Already we discussed. Product of two co-primes is 1 by 2 into 2 power p. Sum of two co-primes will be quotient of n by 2. What is quotient of n? N into 1 minus 1 by p1, 1 minus 1 by p2 and so on. N is 31. 1 minus 1 by 31. It is 30. 30 by 2. 15 cases. 15 cases. But here question contains variables, reverse also will be possible. 1 plus 30 possible, 30 plus 1 possible. 5 plus 1 plus 30, 31. 2 plus 28. 2 and 28 are not co-prime. 3 and 27 are not co-prime. 4 and 26 are not co-prime. 5 and 25 are not co-prime. Sorry. 2 and 29. It is sum is 31, right? 2 plus 29. 29 plus 2. 3 plus 28 possible. 28 plus 3 possible. 4 plus 27. 27 plus 4 possible. 5 plus 26. 26 plus 5 possible. Reverse also. 6 plus 25. 25 plus 6 possible. 7 plus 24. 24 plus 7 possible. 8 plus 23. 23 plus 8 possible. 9 plus 22. 22 plus 1. 9. 10 plus 21. 21 plus 10. 11 plus 20. 20 plus 11. 12 plus 19. 19 plus 12. Are you all with me? This, you have to do like this if you do not know this. 13 plus 18. 18 plus 13. 14 plus 17. 17 plus 14. 15 plus 16. 16 plus 15. See how many cases we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6. Here 6. 12. Right? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We got 30 cases. We got 30 cases. I hope the idea it is clear. In how many ways can you write a number as a sum of two coprimes? It is quotient of n by 2. Quotient of n by 2. Sum of two coprimes concept, product of two coprimes concept. Both are very important. I hope it is clear. Any number can be written as 35k1 or 35k2. 35 into k1 plus k2 is 1085. k1 plus k2 is 31. If these number is 30n, these number is n, answer will be quotient of n by 2. Quotient of n by 2. Quotient of 31 is 30. 30 by 2. 15. 15 cases. Reverse also we have to take because clearly he mentioned x and y. X takes 1, y takes 30. It is different from x takes 30, y takes 1. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Why we doubled it? If variables are present, we have to take the reverse case also. If variables are present, it is ordered pair. If variables are present, it is ordered pair. If variables are not present, it is unordered pair. It is unordered pair. Variables are present in this question. Order means reverse case is also allowed. Reverse case is also allowed. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Read this question. Similar type we solve the question. A red light flashes 3 times per minute. 3 times per minute. Minute means 60 seconds. That means one time it flashes for every 20 seconds. One time it flashes for every 20 seconds. And a green light flashes 5 times in 2 minutes. Another green light is flashing 5 times in 2 minutes. 2 minutes is 120 seconds. That means green light flashes after every 24 seconds. This is the right light flashing time of red. This is the flashing time of green. Red light flashes one time in 20 seconds. Green light flashes one time in 24 seconds. If they start flashing at the same time, when they will start flashing? LCM of 20 and 24, which is 4 5s are 4 6s are, 4 common, 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120. They will flash for every 120 seconds together. Total how much time we require? 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Minute is 60 seconds. 3600. Total how many? 30 times it will flash. 30 times it will flash. 30 times it will flash. A red light flashes 3 times per minute. Minute is 60 seconds. 3 times 60 seconds. Single time in 20 seconds. Green light flashes 5 times in 120 seconds. Single time in 24 seconds. Both are flashing together. LCM of 2024, which is 120. 120 seconds they will flash together. In an hour, hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds. 60 into 60 is 3600. That means they will flash for total how many times? 30 times they will flash. These flashing together concept is very, very important. Now, last question for session number 2. An officer was appointed on maximum daily wages on contract money for 4956. There is an officer who will work for some days and he gets 4956. But he was absent for some days and he was paid only for 3894. Actually, he worked here. Let me take the HCF of 3894, 4956. 3894, 4956. 3894, 4956. Now, if you see here, listen carefully. HCF of any two numbers is a factor of their difference. Factor of their difference. Factor of B minus A. Factor of B minus A. So, answer is factor of 4956 minus 3894. Minus 3894. This is 4956. This is 3894. 6 minus 4, 2. 15 minus 9, 6. It is factor of 1062. 1062. I hope it is clear. So, this will be factor of 1062. What are the factors? It is 2 into 531. It is 2 into 3 into 171. 177. 2 into 3 into 177. Now, if you see here, it is an even number. It is an even number. 2 will come. 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 4, 24. Divisible by 3. These also divisible by 3. 2 into 3, 6 will come. 177, 3894 divided by 177. 2s are 354. It is 22. 177 into 22. 177 into 22. Here it is 177. 2s are 354. Which is 41 41. 1416. 1416 is 177. 8s are 7 8s are 56. 56. 56 5 61. 1416. It is 28. That means here these getting divisible, these getting divisible, these getting divisible. That means what is the answer? Factor 1062. 1062 into how many days? 106 into how many days? Once you do it, easily you will get the answer. Easily you will get the answer. 3894 4956. 4956. HCF of any two numbers is the factor of their difference. Factor of 1062. 2 it is dividing, 3 it is dividing, 177 also it is dividing. So here if you see 106 into, if you observe carefully, 6 into which number I will get 6? 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So 106. 4s are 424. 424. 106 4s are 4956. 1062 it is. Sorry. 1062. Here also 1062. It is 8 times. It is, how much it is? 1062 into 8 it is. Here it is 1062 into, it is 3814. 3814. How much it is? 1062. 3s are, 2 will go how many times? 9 times, right? But 3894, it is little difficult value. Maybe we will find a better method. Let us see. We will try to find out a better method. Anything which is right, taking little long time, I am not interested in this. Read the question. An officer was appointed on maximum daily wages on a contract money for 4956. He gets per day n amount. He worked for x days. Total amount is 4956. He gets paid every day n. He took off. He worked for y days and he got 3894. 3894. N is dividing this number. N is dividing this number. So n should be a factor of 3894, comma 4956. N should be a factor of 3914 and 4956. Maximum daily wages. N should be maximum. So this should be highest. This should be highest. So answer should be a factor of 3894. 3894 will not divide this number. The next factor is 1947. 1947. These also it is not dividing. So what are the factors of 3894? 2 19s are, 2 47s are, 3 6 are, 18, 3 4s are, 3 9s are. 6 into 649. So this is 6 into 649. 649. How much time it is? 649. 6 are 9 6 are 54. 24 plus 5. 3894. 649. 7s are, if I take, are 9. Which number will give you 6? 9 2s are 18, 9 4s are, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are, 9 7s are, 9 8s are, 9 9s are. 9 will give you, how much it is? 649. 7s are, it gives 8s are 4952, 9 8s are 72, 4 8s are 32 plus 7 39, it is 5192. Check which is the number, which is the highest common factor of this number. You will get x value, you will get y value. Difference of y and x, it is the answer. Just a little bit of cumbersome calculations, finding out the factor of these number. Factor of 3984. 2 19s are 2 47s are. 3 649s are. 649 is a divisor, is it a prime or composite? Please check it out. That number you do it. Finding out the HCF of these two numbers, n into this is 4956. X I will get. Y also I will get. Y also I will get. Are you all with me? So difference of y and x. Only thing, finding out the HCF of 3894 and 4956. Answer is a factor of their difference. That is what I did it. Maybe a little lengthy calculation. 3894. 16 minus 4, 14 minus 9, it is 10, how much it is? 1058. 58 or no? 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2, 15 minus 9, 6, 1068. 1068 is 2 into 534. 2 into 534. Check it out whether 534 is giving you the answer or not. Little bit of calculation you can try to do it. I hope you got the idea. He worked per day, he gets n rupees. Total days he worked is x. Same amount he will get, but he was absent for some days. Total days he worked is y. N should be a factor of these two and it should be highest. Take the HCF of 3894 comma 4956. That is the value of n. Substitute that value, I will get x. Substitute that value, I will get y. I will get y. I hope the idea it is clear. Little bit of calculation, you take care of calculations. Total 30 problems. We did it covering various problems of LCM and HCF. I will do one more session which will help you to understand another 25-30 problems, so that these LCM and HCF, all the models are there. Anywhere you are getting little calculation based and it is not giving you answer so fastly, I advise you to go and solve this question in the second innings. Thanks a lot for watching this session. With love, Anil Nair.